There is a quiet wisdom hidden among the rivers, a lesson written in ripples and stones, an old story, one that the rushing waters whisper to those who are willing to listen. Life, much like a river, never moves in a straight line. It bends, it twists, it dances around obstacles, finding its way. Always. The stones do not stop the river. They sculpt it. They guide it. They make the river more beautiful, not less. In the same way, the challenges in your life are not blockades. They are the hands shaping your soul. When life places a boulder in your path, you have a choice: crash against it, or flow around it, carving a new way forward. Slowly, patiently, persistently. Water teaches patience. It doesn't force. It doesn't rush. It simply continues, until even the hardest stone yields to its touch. Each drop matters. Each moment matters. Small, persistent actions build great rivers. Tiny changes shape entire landscapes. Do not rush the process. Trust the flow. Even when the current seems slow, it is moving you forward. There will be days when the journey feels endless, when the weight of the world seems too heavy to carry. On those days, remember the river. It doesn't question how long the journey will be. It doesn't despair when the mountains seem too high. It simply flows, trusting that the way will reveal itself, one stone at a time. The river never loses itself. Even when it splits into 1,000 streams, it remembers its purpose: to move forward, to reach the vast, endless ocean. You, too, must remember your dreams, your values, your why. Hold them close, especially when the path becomes unclear. And when the river meets an impossible wall, it does not give up. It carves, bit by bit, moment by moment. You are more powerful than you know. Not because you force your way through, but because you endure. Because you trust your current. Because you are willing to flow through it all. You don't have to move mountains today. You just have to move. One step, one breath, one small act of courage. Even rivers start with a single drop. In the end, what matters is not how fast you traveled, but how deeply you lived. Like a river that nourishes every root, that smooths every stone, that leaves behind beauty wherever it flows, so too, may your life leave trails of kindness, patience, resilience, and love. Breathe deep. Feel the current. Trust the flow. You are exactly where you need to be. Keep moving forward.